Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to KidStir. We've got two St. Patrick's Day things to do today. We're doing a rainbow, and you will get Fruit Loops. You will get 2 donuts. And to make your arch for the rainbow, you will have a pipe cleaner. So you will have Fruit Loops, a pipe cleaner, and 2 powdered donuts. And then when you're ready to eat that, you can. Then for your cupcake, you'll have a yellow cupcake. You'll have green frosting. You will have 2 gummy worms for your rainbow. You will have 3 miniature marshmallows for your clouds. And then you will have 1 little chip for your pot of gold. Okay? It's just going to be gold. No pot, just a gold. Okay? All right, let's do our cupcake first, okay? We'll ice our cupcake. You will have your green frosting. All you will have to do is frost your cupcake. Now this is marshmallow frosting with just green food colors, so I think you'll be all right with that. Okay. All right. There's our cupcake frosting. Now, we're going to do our gummy worms. As our rainbow. And then in the back will be your marshmallows for your clouds. And at the end will be your pot of gold. Okay? Let's get our little gummy worm sitting up there a little more. But there's your St. Patrick's Day cupcake. Okay. Now, for your rainbow, we're going to start with our red Fruit Loops. These are not real red, but we'll do 4 of each color. All right, we got our red. Then we'll get our orange. And if you decide you need to eat one, that's all right. Don't eat them all till after you get your rainbow made. Then we'll get our yellow. Okay. Then we'll get our green. We may not need 3 or 4 for each. We'll take one of those out. And we'll take a yellow one out. Whoops. And we'll do, because I don't think we will. Because we've got to get our green. Whoops. Then we have our blue. And then our purple. And I think I'm just going to put 2 purple on there. But what I'm going to do is give you 3 of each color. Because I've got, I think that'll be enough. Because we got to have enough room for our pipe cleaner to stick down in our donuts, okay? Oops, let me get back here. Oop, lost one of those. Let me take off one of the orange ones. maybe we'll just go with 2 red. Okay, that way it'll give us enough in there to put our pipe cleaner down in our donuts. All right, boys and girls, there's your donut rainbow, and here is your St. Patrick's Day cupcake. Hope you have a good time with this. Please send us pictures, and then of course enjoy.